Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to get a predictive features for your keyboard on your iPhone. So the device that I use today is iPhone XR, and let's jump into the tutorial. So the first thing we need to do is go into the settings part, and after we go into the setting, we need to scrolling down until we found a general. And then we just need to click it to open it. And whenever you open the general settings, you just need to scrolling down again until you found a keyboard. Then you just need to click it. And whenever you are in the keyboard settings, you just need to scrolling down, and please take a look on these three boxes. 1, 2, and 3 boxes. And to get the predictive features, you just need to go take a look on this predictive part, and after that you just need to turn on or click this button to turn or activate the predictive features on your keyboard. So you just need to click it until the color is changed, become green. So whenever it's already green, means that the predictive features is already active into your keyboard. And now let's take a look on it. I go back into the home, and I will like to access the app library. Let's go into the notes, and now let's creating a new note, and let's start typing. So for example, let's do a busy. So there will be several predictive words over here that you can use. So that's the way how to activate the predictive features on your keyboard. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel if you find out this tutorial today is very useful for you. So see you for the next video.